Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a fun and simple way to have a blast with your kids, you have to check out this Carnival set from Eocolz. This is such a simple set that allows for endless imagination and fun creative games. This set comes with 6 different colorful cones, 12 rings, and 12 small bean bags, and allows you to create whatever game your imagination can come up with. I have had so much fun using this set with my son and just seeing what he creates. What's great about it is you can use all of the pieces together or separate them to use them for fun, different activities. I love that they're really nice and fun and vibrant colors. It also comes with a convenient case that lets you take everything with you on the go. We have taken it to grandparents' house. It's really small, so it's easy to take with us and just have fun wherever we go. I also love that we can use this inside or outside. So on those rainy days and we're just sitting there wondering like, okay, what do we do now? We can break out this fun set and create some sort of game. We love to do games like tossing the beanbag into the rings to see who can get the most in a specific layout, or even using the beanbags to knock down the cones. So if you're looking for a fun set that allows for open-ended creativity and game creation, I would highly suggest checking out this Carnival set. We have had lots of fun with it, but that's just our point of view.